great pleasure, of course, to be here at the largest European Cheerleading Championships ever conducted here in Ljubljana, Slovenia. So congratulations to all of you for being part. On behalf of 109 National Federations of Cheerleading around the world, from Asia, Oceania, Africa, the Americas, they're watching Europe today. So I wish all the athletes and coaches the best success today at the 2015 ECU European Cheerleading Championships. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Daniel, for your words.
Think I'm pretend, who will make you feel like you did? I'm like, no, that's really good. No, I think that I found myself a cheerleader. She is always right there. I think that I found myself a cheerleader. She is always right there when I need her. She knows like a model. She grants my wishes like a genie in a bottle. Yeah, 'cause I'm the
Odlično, djevojke, super, prva liga. Very good girls actually, ladies, nice. And we are almost ready for next week.